everyone, got another hotel review for you today. Today we are staying in Alfredton Road in Cromer at a place called Beverley House. So yeah, just down by the seaside here. Thought I'd show you the sea in the morning. But yeah, let's go up to Beverley House and take a look at it. And you get free parking on the road, which is nice. And here we are, number 17, Beverley House. I've already checked in, but when you come here, got key codes. We are flat 6. So yeah, let's go in and have a look. So here you are as you enter flat 6, greeted by a big mirror. A little pots and plants, a little cupboard. Locked door. Little fire extinguisher in the corner. And some artwork of some people dancing. You've got a little window up there to let in some natural light. Goes to outside. And yeah, got a hallway. The only disappointment is there's nowhere to actually hang your coats up out here. So I've just chucked mine down there. And Kaz chucked us on the door there. So, let's start, I suppose, in the living room. Here is Kaz doing her makeup. Hello, Kaz.
Hello.
She's enjoying doing her makeup there. So it's quite a big, spacious living room. Got a big window there. You can just about see the sea out of it. Got some artwork on the wall. Some boats in the sea by the looks of it. Got this nice sofa that Kaz is sitting on. Yeah, nice little 2-seater sofa. Got this little desk thing here, little, what you call it, coffee table type thing. You've got a bin. Got a lampshade. Not even tried that, see if it works. And the only issues you find with this is it's a bit dated, this flat. It's got some holes and stuff in the wall. I don't even know what that is. Don't want to touch it.
Quite mould.
Oh, no, it doesn't say that.
I don't know.
But yeah, you've got a nice little view of the street. Got these nice blinds in there. Up there, could do a little bit of repainting. Right, you've got a nice big TV. I think that's a 42-inch. You also have a little Alexa there. It's not plugged in. Got a little coffee table there as well. Got this nice fireplace, which is just for display purposes. You also have a nice mirror here. And you have some more little artwork. Some more dancing. Seems to be a lot of dancing pictures in this flat. Right, then on to the kitchen. As you can see, it's a decent sized kitchen. It's got a nice little 2-person table. We've got another fireplace there. Right, so starting down here, you've got a microwave. You've got a freezer. Got a nice little coffee machine if you want to bring your own little coffee pots. Got a few little cooking utensils there. Right, you've got the, if you set fire to anything, you've actually got a fire blanket. And these are all to do with health and safety. We're talking about mould. Look at that ceiling, it looks like it's got a bit of mould on it. Look at that. Probably is mould. But oh, just needs a bit of redecorating. So you've got a first aid kit in there and some bits on how to use everything. The food is obviously ours. I've got a nice tin of beans there. It was my birthday the other day and Kaz is not having chocolate at the moment, so we've just got a carrot cake for it and some sweets. If you're cooking on the hob, you can pull this open. And you've got your lights and your extractor fan there. You've got a kitchen roll, all provided. Nice kettle. A 2-slice toaster. How's the kettle looking? Oh, that's a bit grim. Didn't bring any tea or coffee with me, but yeah. Looking a bit grim, that is. So there's not much cooking stuff in here. There's a few pots and pans down there. As well as some plates. A nice big oven. The only drawer here with anything in it is the top one. It's got some utensils, so you've got your bottle opener, you've got your tin opener, got a few other bits and pieces. As you can see, we've been here a few days. Got a bit of washing up there I've done. And a couple of plates from breakfast this morning. They do provide washing stuff. So you do get a lot of like plates and bowls, cups in there. Got some glasses and stuff. Little gravy boat there. Or it could have been a teapot, I don't even know. What is it? No, it's a teapot. Don't even know what's in these in ones, I forgot. Oh, they were the little plates. And a bigger bowl. There's just a one of them. Oh, just a one of them apparently. You do have your bit underneath the sink here. A few cleaning bits. A dustpan and brush, and that's about it really. That bowl's empty. Do have some nice bits if you're here for a few days. You can put some wine in there. Definitely needs a bit more cleaning there. And you've got a under counter fridge. So it's just got a few beers in there from Beers of Europe. And bread and butter. We bought the cheapest butter, turns out it's a vegan one. And got this nice little two-person table. The only problem with this is, because the floor's uneven, it's very wobbly when you try and sit and eat your dinner. Tried to wedge some stuff underneath it, but didn't really work. And you do have a sea view out the kitchen window, which is nice. And we are high up. We're on the third floor, flat 6. And of course, you've got some bins. There's our pizza from last night, and a few bits there. Right, so that is the kitchen and living room. I think we'll go into the bedroom next and then do the bathroom last, because I think the bathroom's quite big and nice for a change. So the light's a bit funny, it keeps flickering. I haven't sorted that lampshade out yet, someone's left it like that. Right, so you have got a little cupboard thing here. This is pretty good. I found these books in that bottom drawer. Massive mirror, floor to ceiling mirror. Got your plug sockets there. Got these little bedside tables with lamps on them. 2 of them. Got a nice big bed. It says on the website it's a king size bed. It is quite comfy. You lay on it and you sink into it. It's got a proper memory foam mattress on it. Really soft one. You've got a little, I suppose you could call this your wardrobe. Somewhere to hang some clothes and some drawers to put stuff in. I've just left mine in the bag down there. And you've got a little view of the street out here. Can't see the sea because all that's in the way, but otherwise you would be able to see the sea. And another picture of some people dancing, well, some women dancing. So yeah, that is the bedroom. And now, just across the hall in here is the bathroom. I'm quite impressed with this. Look at the size of this bathroom. Whoa. Plenty of room in here. So you've got a nice sink. Got a mirror above the sink. A little shelf which has seen better days. It's leaning to one side. But yeah, somewhere to plug in your shaver. You've got a toilet. Now this toilet is huge. When I say huge, it means like, when I sat on it, I was so high up. It's like the highest toilet we've ever been on. Don't know where they come from. Also got a little bin down there. They provide you with a couple of toilet rolls. And then you've got this massive great shower, big walk-in one. I was really impressed with this. The power on it's not as good as I was hoping, but it needs updating. It's a bit of an old one. I used to have one of these types of showers in my flat probably 20 years ago. So yeah. But yeah, it's a nice size shower. Like the colour schemes, very big. And then you've got a heated towel room. So yeah, that is the tour of the flat. We're going to go and show you a little bit of Cromer now, once Kaz is ready.
I'm practically ready.
And then we'll come back and we'll tell you what you think of the place. And Kaz can tell you how much she paid for it then, because she booked it for my birthday. So
I did, yeah.
Didn't cost me a penny. Hey. Right, let's go into town. Lovely garden here just to walk through. Just a little way along the seafront, you've got this really nice pitch and putt to come and do. Cromer's #1 fish and chip shop. Had lunch here yesterday, highly recommended. And the pier's just there with a pavilion on it. Pavilion theatre. And there's Kaz. Some nice amusements to play along here. Couple here, got Golden Sands and Leisureland amusements. A little bookworm shop here. That's quite cute. So I went in here to watch the cup final yesterday, the Wellington Free House. Sadly, when I went in though, they didn't give me any free beer. Right, the town centre you have Cromer Church. There's a little visitor centre here. Right, we're going to get some lunch in the Hatter's Tea Shop. Looks like a nice little place. Can't beat a good brew. We're in the conservatory in the Red Lion. They've got some proper Norfolk beers in cans. Probably the best place to go. And in the summer, they've got a little outside garden. Definitely the best pub in Cromer. So that is it. Stay in Beverley House is coming to an end. We was going to film this last night, but we found the Red Lion and I had a few too many. So
yeah, I think we both did.
So yeah, so we're going to pass it over to Karen because she booked it.
I did. I booked it on cottages.com, even though it isn't a cottage, it's an apartment, but it is what it is. And yeah, in total, I paid £220 for 3 nights, which I think is quite reasonable. Yeah, I'll review it as being average. I'll give it a neutral review because, well, I'll give it a neutral to positive review because it was clean enough and that, but the kitchen was a little bit not up to my cleaning standards because there was dirty plates in the cupboard. I don't know if that was the previous person who stayed here or whether the person who owns the property hasn't sort of examined the kitchen and things like that. And also there was no like tea bags or anything. There was only like some salt in the cupboard and there was no box of tea bags or some sugar or anything, and there was no welcome pack. I mean, I don't expect a bottle of wine or a box of chocolates on arrival because I'm buy that myself, but like a little note just explaining how to use the shower would have been helpful as well, wouldn't it? You had to like pull a cord in the bathroom before you turned the shower on. It wasn't immediately obvious. We was like ages trying to figure it out, like, oh, why isn't the shower working and all this. And then we saw the little pull cord on the ceiling.
What do you mean we?
Well, you did.
No, you was ages looking for it.
Yeah.
And I come in and went, oh, what's this called here?
Yeah, well, I did see it when I went in the bathroom. I just wasn't sure what it was for, really.
What do you think of the decor and the furniture? It's a bit old-fashioned for you?
Well, it's traditional sort of furniture, but it's a little bit falling to bits. I noticed when I opened the drawer, like the drawer nearly fell off, didn't it?
Yeah, what about all the walls? Do you reckon
Yeah, there's a little bit of mould and needs a little bit of painting and redecorating in here. I don't know if you can show it on the camera.
I already showed it when we
you've already shown it on the tour, yeah. Yeah, there's a few little patches, like there's one up there, and by the radiator there's like some little dent in the wall and just looks like it needs sanding down and replastering in areas and repainting a little bit. But other than that, you can't really complain for what we paid, really. So I'll give it a negative. I won't give it a negative review. I'll give it a neutral review, I'd say.
Do you reckon it's a good location for the town?
It's a very good location for the town. Alfred Road is very central.
Yeah, it didn't take long, did it? So,
it only takes like 5 minutes to walk into the town and the shops and everything and the pubs.
And even walking back late at night, you felt safe, didn't you?
Yeah, I felt safe enough, yeah.
Yeah, there's a little Morrison's just up the road if you want to get some shopping. There is a co-op. We never went into the co-op, it's a little bit further down. But yeah, the co-op's literally in the middle of the town centre, right where that big church thing is I showed you.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, I really enjoyed it here in Cromer.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it, I say, as well.
I pretty much enjoyed this apartment. Had a bit of YouTube on TV.
Yeah, on the whole, this apartment's been alright, yeah.
So yeah, you get free Wi-Fi in here. It's not the best of Wi-Fi, but free parking outside. You can't really argue with that. Just a little bit of walk up them stairs. You wouldn't recommend it for anyone with any disabilities, would you?
No, you got mobility problems. Definitely not for you. It's like 4 flights of stairs on, well, not 6 levels of stairs. Like I thought originally. We are on the 3rd floor or the top floor. But it's about 4 flights of stairs, yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a way up.
It is quite a way up, yeah.
But yeah, other than that, it's quite nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd come back and stay in this apartment, but I'd come back to Cromer, definitely.
I don't think I'm back to Cromer, yeah.
But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this little tour and review of Beverley House, and we'll catch you in another one of these videos. I'm sure we'll have some more hotels coming up shortly.
Yeah.
Right, that just needs to say thank you all for watching. And as always, catch you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.